Hello everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm here to talk to you about one of the most discussed topic in India nowadays. That is, should India increase the legal marriage age of women or not? Now, before starting this topic, I want to say that in every aspect of the society, we demand gender neutrality. We talk about women are equal to men of the society, but here we need to see actually are we equal to the men of the society? In India, at ancient times where women used to suffer from rituals like sati pratha, child marriages, and women had to shave her head on husband death. Earlier, girls were married at the age of 10 to 15 years. Patriarchal society had always suppressed the women, voices, and their right to life. But as generation to generation grown up and development took place, these type of practices were banned in India. At present scenario, according to the Sarda Act 1978, it is stated that legal age of marriage is 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys. But here, question arises: are girls mature enough to handle all the burden of the marriage at such a young age? And two different age criteria for boys and a girl is correct enough to say we support gender neutrality. Marriages of girls had always been an issue in our country, as many supports 18 years as a legal age to get married, and many says that this age should be increased. Still, there are many loopholes in our laws which need to be changed time to time, as in this era women are equally walking with men in every field, and they have proved them to be better than men in many ways, in many fields. Indian government have raised this question during the Independence Day in 2020, where the Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation with this issue. Are we in need to increase the legal age of the woman marriage? For this, panel was set up by the government, which was led by Jaya Jetli and Niti Aayog VK Paul, where committee prepared its report stating that we can increase the legal age of marriage for women, but it should be done in phased manner. Every state should be given the time to adopt such laws. As in India, still there are many states where child marriages are still practiced. They have their own personal laws and they are not considered illegal by laws until and unless the minor parties choose to be void, that they want that this marriage should get void, then only this their marriage is held illegal, rather than the practice of child marriage is continued over there. So, to bring changes in the society in every aspect, we need to fill these loopholes. In 2019, petition was filed in High Court where petitioner raised this question why men and women don't have same legal age for marriage, as it is violating the Article 14 and 15 of the Indian Constitution Act, and there should be a gender neutrality for this only. This issue was highlighted by the court. Like Indian Majority Act 1875 grant right to vote and enter the contract for those who attain the age of 18 equal for men and women. There is a gender neutrality, so in case of marriage age it should be made equal to by increasing the woman marriage age to 21-year-old. So basically, what is the purpose for increasing the marriage age of a woman? As the main purpose for increasing it is as she get married so earlier that she is suppressed with the burden of the family's responsibilities. She is never allowed in many cases to chase her career for further, and she is homebound taking care of the families. It is said that the minimum age to give birth to the child is also 21 year, and in many cases research have stated that many women who get pregnant at early ages suffer many health problems. Major issue of concern for the government is that age of motherhood. The women who get pregnant at the age of 18 to 20 suffer from the health issues which leads to the complication in pregnancy, because of which many times mother dies after giving the birth, or the child dies due to it. Poor nutrition, as a mother is not enough strong and her hormonal growth is not so proper that she is not able to breastfeed her child properly, due to which these kids suffer malnutrition, and woman body herself become weak and suffer health issues after giving birth so early, and child born out of them suffer malnutrition like disease too. In our history, after 40 years, this kind of issue is raised to increase the legal age of marriage for girls, and if these changes and loopholes are mended, then India will stand with the countries like Japan, China, Singapore, etc., where girls' legal age of marriage is 21. We know these type of changes in laws and paper only will not bring changes in our society, or our government need to support women practically by making changes socially and economically. There is a need to give a woman the platform to fulfill her dreams, and every girl should be educated enough to make choices for herself. Society need to learn that we need to make changes by accepting the gender neutrality in every set of areas. So I hope you find this topic very interesting, and for more such videos and for more such information, subscribe to our channel Lexis and Company, and do not forget to press like, comment and share button. Thank you.